Overpacking is the #1 mistake most senior travelers make, not because they want to, but because they don't realize how much freedom they're losing with every extra pound. Every heavy item adds more than just weight. It adds stress, slows you down, and makes travel feel like a chore instead of a joy. The truth is, traveling light isn't about sacrifice. It's about strategy. It's about choosing what truly matters and letting go of what doesn't. Because when your bag is lighter, your journey feels lighter too. In this guide, you'll discover a smart, simple system to pack less, move freely, and still have everything you need, whether it's a short weekend trip, a visit to loved ones, or an international adventure. So if you're ready to travel smarter and feel freer than ever, let's get started. Section 1, the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. There's a simple formula that takes all the stress and second-guessing out of packing. It's called the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. You bring 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 pairs of shoes, 2 accessories, and 1 jacket. That's it. But here's the genius part. Every piece is chosen to match everything else. A few well-picked colors and fabrics give you endless outfit combinations without the bulk or weight. No more standing over an open suitcase wondering what to take.
You'll know exactly what fits, what matches, and what you'll actually wear. And when you choose light, wrinkle-free fabrics, your clothes stay fresh and ready wherever you go.
The 5-4-3-2-1 rule isn't about limitation. It's about traveling smarter. Less packing, less stress, more freedom to simply enjoy the trip ahead. Section 2, weight versus volume mindset. Most travelers make the mistake of focusing on what fits inside the suitcase, but smart travelers think differently. They focus on what weighs less. Because it's not always the size of your bag that slows you down, it's the hidden weight you don't notice until you're lifting it onto a belt or dragging it through an airport.
Start by choosing lighter luggage. Even saving 2 or 3 pounds on the bag itself makes a huge difference.
Replace those full-size bottles and bulky containers with compact travel kits. Every ounce matters. And here's a simple rule that seasoned travelers swear by. Wear your heaviest items on the flight, your jacket, sneakers, or jeans. This isn't just about packing light. It's about freeing yourself from the physical and mental weight that travel often brings. When your bag is lighter, everything about the journey feels easier, calmer, and more enjoyable. Section 3, senior comfort essentials only. When it comes to packing, comfort should always come before just in case. Many senior travelers fill their bags with backups, extra shoes, spare outfits, or items they might never touch, all in the name of being prepared. But the truth is, comfort doesn't come from overpacking. It comes from being thoughtful about what truly makes your journey easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Start with the essentials your body will thank you for. A pair of compression socks to keep circulation steady during long walks or flights. A soft travel pillow that supports your neck and helps you rest anywhere. And a simple medication organizer so you never have to dig through your bag at the wrong time.
Add 1 lightweight sweater or shawl, something versatile enough for chilly flights, cool evenings, or even a dinner out. It keeps you warm and adds effortless style without bulk. Then pack a mini first aid kit and a small pill box. They take almost no space but give complete peace of mind. This is the real secret. Pack for how you want to feel, not for what you fear might happen. When your bag holds only comfort-based essentials, your travel days feel lighter, calmer, and far more enjoyable. Exactly the way travel was meant to be. Section 4. Layer, don't load. The smartest travelers know the secret to packing light isn't about cutting back. It's about layering, not lugging. Instead of packing thick coats or heavy outfits that take up half your suitcase, focus on light, breathable layers that you can mix and match. A few thin pieces can keep you just as warm as a bulky jacket, and they dry faster, fold smaller, and work in almost any climate.
Stick to neutral colors that blend effortlessly. When every top matches every bottom, you can rewear items in new combinations without anyone noticing.
Add a scarf or a wrap, and suddenly your look feels fresh and different each day. No extra weight, no overstuffed bag.
Layering is the art of traveling smart, staying comfortable, stylish, and prepared for anything without dragging the whole closet along. It's about flexibility, freedom, and feeling your best wherever you go. Section 5, Laundry and Rewear Strategy.
Here's the truth. You don't need to pack for every single day of your trip. You just need a smart rewear plan.
The secret to traveling for a month with a 2-week wardrobe lies in one simple idea. Rotate, rinse, repeat. Start with quick-dry, breathable fabrics like cotton blends or performance materials. They stay fresh longer, resist wrinkles, and dry overnight after a simple wash. You can easily hand wash a few pieces in the hotel sink using a small packet of detergent or portable laundry sheets. Hang them up, and by morning, they're ready to go again. This not only saves space, but gives you peace of mind. No more hauling heavy bags or paying extra for checked luggage. You'll feel lighter, move faster, and still look sharp every day. The beauty of this system is that it works anywhere, whether you're staying in hotels, visiting family, or traveling across multiple countries. A simple rotation schedule keeps your wardrobe fresh and functional. Wear, wash, dry, repeat. The result? A suitcase that's half the size, but twice as useful. Once you embrace this rewear mindset, you realize travel isn't about bringing everything you own, it's about knowing exactly what you need and keeping it ready for the next great day. Extra smart packing tips. Now that you've learned how to pack light, let's take it one step further with a few smart tricks that most travelers miss, but they make a huge difference, especially for seniors. First, roll your clothes instead of folding. It saves space, keeps fabric smooth, and lets you see everything at a glance. Use packing cubes to group items, one for tops, one for bottoms, one for undergarments, so you never dig through the entire suitcase to find a pair of socks. Second, store liquids in leak-proof pouches or resealable bags. A small spill can ruin your trip faster than any delay. Keep all travel-size bottles under 100 milliliters so they pass through security easily. Third, always pack one outfit in your carry-on in case your checked luggage gets delayed. Add a toothbrush, meds, and a small charger so you're never stranded without essentials. And finally, weigh your bag at home before heading to the airport. A small luggage scale helps you avoid surprise fees and last-minute repacking drama.
Traveling light isn't just about saving space. It's about moving through the world freely, calmly, and confidently. When every item has a purpose, your suitcase becomes more than luggage. It becomes your peace of mind. Traveling light isn't just about fitting everything into a smaller bag. It's about changing the way you travel altogether. When your luggage is lighter, your mind is clearer. You move easier, stress less, and focus on what really matters, the journey itself. Every item you pack becomes intentional, not random. You're no longer burdened by just in case, because you've learned that smart preparation always beats heavy packing. And that's the real reward of traveling light. Freedom.
Freedom to explore without strain. Freedom to say yes to spontaneous plans. Freedom to enjoy every moment instead of managing too much stuff.
So before your next trip, remember this. It's not about how much you bring. It's about how easily you move through the world. Travel light, travel smart, and let the adventure carry you.